From the unreachable heights, the birds masterfully survey the world and go where they wish, equipped with exceptional abilities and dangerous characteristics that defy imagination. In this video, we'll explore a range of surprising birds, from predators that threaten even children to rulers of the sky with unique lethality, even among their own kind. There is even a species that uses its power to hunt other birds. Keep your eyes open because there are some bird species to absolutely avoid. Stay with us throughout the video, you might discover something surprising. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more compelling content. Now let's get to the heart of it. California condors. Amidst the absence of frequent human killing, the most dangerous birds tend to avoid encounters with humans unless provoked. However, the California condor is known to defy this logic, feeding on human flesh with claws designed to lift prey the size of monkeys. Tales persist about this bold predator, which has become an integral part of South African cities over the years. In the California sky, the condor is king. With his wings spread, he quickly descends to hunt. Watch as he grabs his prey with his claws. A true lord of the Californian sky. Magpie. Deadly and aggressive magpies make a dangerous pair during attacking season. They actively seek out individuals they deem to be an obstacle, with erratic flight patterns leading to thousands of injuries each year. Their tail, as long as their body differentiates them, belonging to the family of crows and jay. Boy pedals carefree on his bike, a magpie strikes him by surprise. A flutter of black wings, a moment of panic, and then the boy continues his journey, perhaps with an unusual story to tell. Cassowary. An extraordinary cassowary is one to keep an eye on when it comes to dangerous birds. Curious and potentially dangerous, they can move quickly across Australia and New Guinea. They rarely attack humans, but when they do, they use their massive dagger-shaped claws. One of the most recent incidents was in 2012 in Queensland, when a tourist was pushed off a cliff into a body of water. Observe with admiration our cassowary while it feeds voraciously. His powerful beak lowers with determination, grabbing the food effectively. Absurd to note the size of the prey in the claws of this magnificent bird of prey offers an impressive sight, highlighting the strength and dexterity of this majestic creature. Bald eagle, America's national bird, the bald eagle, commands attention with its impressive wings. Although it cannot lift like other birds, its strength lies in its powerful claws and massive wings. The national symbol of the United States, it has become a recognizable icon since 1782. Watch this eagle, with unparalleled mastery, demonstrate its prowess by catching prey from above with extraordinary efficiency. Her elegant flight and powerful wings allow her to glide above the ground, scanning the ground with a keen gaze. When she locates desired prey, she dives with precision, using sharp claws to capture the meal with surprising dexterity. Harpia. With deadly claws capable of exerting hundreds of pounds of pressure, the harpia is a creature not to be trifled with. Powerful predators, they do not fear humans and can allow people to get close, showing their impressiveness. From sturdy paws to strong, pointy toes, they are formidable predators known to prey on possums, porcupines, young deer, snakes, and iguanas. Here, a young man finds himself close to a harpy, fascinated by its size and majesty. They seem to share a unique moment. However, it is essential to remember that these creatures are wild, and such interactions require specialized skills. Always remember this. Andean condor. Among vultures, the Andean condor stands out for its imposing body. Despite being carriages, they prefer to feed on more difficult parts of the prey, demonstrating cunning in the search for food. Their presence in the Andes is crucial for cleaning the environment. While the boy enjoys the panorama from the top of the mountain, an Andean condor makes a surprising appearance. With its outstretched wings, the condor soars in the sky, approaching the boy with an aura of magnificence. Deadly bird attacks are rare, but the African crown eagle defies this norm. This unique raptor is known to prey on humans, an extraordinary behavior in the bird world. Its lethal talons are designed to hunt large prey, including monkeys and even humans. Stories of attacks on children and their frequent presence in South African cities contribute to its reputation as a formidable predator. While it prefers smaller prey like rats, mongooses, and antelopes, its hunting prowess is unmistakable. Watch this African crown eagle as it snatches a fish with its sharp talons. It lives in an African valley and occasionally chooses to hunt fish instead of the usual mammals. Its move is swift and graceful, showcasing how versatile it is in hunting. While vultures are typically shy and cautious scavengers, the lappet-faced vulture stands out as the most powerful and aggressive African vulture species. Unlike other vultures that shy away from fresh or live prey, the lappet-faced vulture actively hunts small mammals, reptiles, fish, and even birds. It may even snatch a baby flamingo or other bird eggs for dinner. Additionally, it feasts on termite mounds and locust nests, going straight to the source for a meal. Typically, it observes other vultures for a meal, preferring to eat the trickier parts that other creatures avoid. With its mighty beak uniquely built for such challenges, the lappet-faced vulture is a formidable force in the African vulture hierarchy. Lammergeier, also known as the bearded vulture, stands out among vultures as a unique and fascinating creature. Its range extends from Central Asia to East Africa and Spain. What truly sets this vulture apart is its exceptional feeding behavior, specializing in the consumption of carrion, particularly bones. With a wingspan that surpasses even the length of its body, the lammergeier ranks among vultures with the widest wingspan. Yet, what makes it truly unique is its distinctive hunting method. To access the marrow inside bones, crucial for its diet, the lammergeier lifts and then drops the remains from an impressive height of 260 feet. This distinctive practice, coupled with the wedge-shaped tail, an unusual feature for a bird of prey, adds an extraordinary touch to its image. The powerful beak and inventive digging techniques further highlight the uniqueness of lammergeiers. With exceptional skill in manipulating bones to reach the marrow, the lammergeier is a testament to the diversity and adaptability of creatures in the animal kingdom. Its story continues to captivate and evoke wonder in those who delve into the fascinating world of this unique vulture species. In a wild theatre amid majestic peaks, the lammergeier, the vulture, stages an extraordinary display of feeding cunning. Picture the azure sky as this master of flight approaches a carcass. In its talons, it holds a sturdy bone, with the precious marrow as its objective. With surprising agility, the lammergeier lifts the bone above the peaks, reaching dizzying heights. Then, with admirable precision, it releases the precious morsel into the abyss below. The bone begins its free fall, cutting through the air with a sinuous dance as the lammergeier carefully tracks every movement. Mid-descent, the bone strikes with a resounding crash, shattering, and the much-coveted marrow is revealed. With a lightning-fast move, the lammergeier dives, seizing its precious loot before it touches the ground. It's a flawless hunting choreography, a demonstration of intelligence and mastery in manipulating nature to satisfy its dietary needs. In this aerial spectacle, the lammergeier shows us how, with cunning and skill, it can turn such a seemingly simple act into an exceptional performance in the wild kingdom. The snowy owl, native to the harsh expanses of the Arctic tundra, stands out as one of the world's largest and most beautiful owl species. One of the significant threats to snowy owls is posed by humans, as they have very few natural predators, mainly Arctic foxes, jaegers and wolves. However, these creatures are fiercely protective and territorial. Natural predators such as Arctic foxes, jaegers and wolves are formidable challengers, but these animals defend their territory with ferocity. An attack with their razor-sharp talons could easily drive away any predator. In the case of humans, the snowy owl would target the head and eyes, posing a severe threat to anyone exposed. If you enjoyed this video and you're a curious type just like us, keep following us for more amazing content about all the animals in the world.